What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy a Geek. So here the top 5 LG K30 case. Yes, top 5 LG K30 case. So the number 5th is from the Idea line. Yes, from the Idea line. What a beautiful case, to be honest with you. It can't get better than this one. The number 4. Number 4 is from CU, a simple beautiful looking. Yes, a simple beautiful looking case. And number 3. Okay, number 3 is from this Swanson. Is you will see they are similar, but this one is much better quality. I mean, again, a simple carbon fiber, not the real one. This one is fake one. Okay, you can't get carbon fiber for less than 20 bucks, and then maybe 30 bucks. So this is the number 2 from Naga, be a simple classic holster style case for man. Number 1, the best of the best, a simple honeycomb case. I mean, for 5 bucks, look at the beauty of it. So all of the cases link are in the description box below. It was me, Jimmy a Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.